welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to get cashback rewards with KOHO Extra. So without wasting much time, let's get straight into the video. So to get instant cashbacks or rewards with KOHO Extra, simply download or go to the website of KOHO. Once you're in KOHO, you need to simply get logged in into your account. So if you have a Canadian residency, then you can simply log in into your Canadian account by the help of your card or credit card, as KOHO is only active in Canada. After this, you can simply use the KOHO Extra prepaid Mastercard offers that are the sources of you getting rewards with KOHO Extra. 1.5% cashback or 0.25% cashback will be provided on different items. You can also earn extra cashback with partners. In addition to the base rate, you can earn up to 50% extra cashback by shopping with KOHO's merchant partners. So this is how you can simply get cashback rewards with KOHO Extra. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.